I have always wondered, I mean, is it possible to just go in the shower, wash my hair, shampoo, conditioner, use that treatment, that I've chosen, whatever treatment I've chosen to use that day, just use it, do everything in the shower and come out and my hair be okay? Just like I would do if I were using product like Keracere and Elixir, for instance. Why can't we do that? Why can I not do that with my hair? It's just, this question is bugging me. I understand the need to use heat, apply my deep treatment and wrap it up and go under the dryer for 15 minutes. I definitely do understand the need for that, because the heat kind of help open up the hair and allow the product to soak in. I get that. So I do feel like this type of work should be reserved for a once in a month, once every 6 weeks kind of treatment, kind of, I don't know, business. To do it every week or every 2 weeks is an absolute job. So I'm thinking I'm gonna shampoo my hair with this shampoo here, then deep condition with it won't be our hair mayonnaise because I ran out, so but it's still hair mayonnaise, but just a generic brand of ORS. I'm gonna be using that as my protein treatment. Then I'm gonna use humectant conditioner from Keracere and wash everything off. In shower, we'll be applying shower cap in whilst I'm in the shower doing my business for 3-5 minutes, rinsing that out and see how it goes. Because at the end of the day, it's our hair that tough that we have to wash it, come out, apply treatment on, then go under the dryer. It's our hair that tough. Because product like I said, the Kerastase and Elixir, and I could go on the names of product that isn't necessarily made for our hair that are also for my hair. These products, they only take 2-3 minutes, and the instructions are 2-3 minutes. Apply 2-3 minutes, wash off, and I've seen really great result with this sort of product like that. So why can't product like hair mayonnaise be used? Who come up with this idea to be applying product on and going under the dryer 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, even 30 minutes at times, then washing it off? This is the whole in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm just like, can't be done with it today. I'm putting this to the try. I want to do everything in the shower. That includes doing my protein treatment, everything in one, and see how it all goes. I am really hoping you will stick around to see how everything goes or how I get on. So I'm just gonna finish cooking what I'm cooking, then I'm gonna drop my youngest in karate because it does martial arts, and then I'm gonna kick off. By then, by the time I get back, it will be nearly 7 o'clock. It's just nearly 5 just now. It'll be nearly 7 o'clock. Do I want to be going in and out of the shower? Then I desperately need to wash my hair. But I want to do it all in one go in the shower. I'm hoping, like, don't quote me on it just yet, to record the whole process. So I'm hoping you stick around and just see how I get along. Yes? See you in a bit then. It's gonna be fun.
ORS shampoo, this is the clarifying version of it. This is not the sulfate free, so take note. I needed my hair clarifying anyway, so that's why I'm using this very one. So after shampooing it all off, I went in with hair mayonnaise, slathering this on from root to tip, working it really in. Since I'm not going under the dryer, straight after applying this, I went in with a disposable single-use shower cap. If I were in recording this, I would have just showered, do my own thing, apply my conditioner and get out. But because I'm recording it, I end up having a shave. I shave my legs, I will say I was in there, left that shampoo treatment in for 3 to 5 minutes tops. Then take it off, take the shower cap off, and now I'm gonna proceed to rinse this out. Judging by how my hair feels, I cannot tell you the difference between doing all in the shower as in no heat. I cannot tell the difference as of this minute. My hair felt the way I expect it to feel after a protein treatment. Strength, isn't it? You have that strength that protein, only protein has to offer. It has that going on. I'm like, what did I miss? So there's still a lot more to come. I'm still gonna apply the conditioner on, which is the Keracere humectant, one of the best moisturizing, zero protein in it, moisturizing conditioner on the market. So I ladder that on as if my life is depending on it. Walk it really in. Then say you are not really supposed to, comb your hair when it's wet. That rule does not apply to me. I believe with the right combination of good product and a good technique, this is absolutely possible. So my technique that I've always used, especially during my relaxer stretch, in this case when I need to detangle, is start from the bottom and work my way down on the root of the hair. Slightly tug on the hair, very slightly, not enough that it's gonna break it. Then go in with a comb. Tugging on it will stretch the new growth, and just with the combination of this, adding the fact that I'm using one of the best conditioner, it's a breeze, as you can see. The comb just go in easily, glide off. So I'd repeat that, what I've just done all over the head until all my hair was detangled, because I know at this far post into my relaxer stretch, if I'm gonna get a good detangle, having this conditioner on, using this technique right here, right now, is my best bet of getting all the knots in my hair out. So once I finish rinsing out that Keracere humectant conditioner, my hair felt awesome. Guys, I've been missing something huge all this while. We'll be putting this technique or this little routine I've just found. Everything I do in my hair journey, I discovered then to try and error. This I will be applying absolutely. So from now on, I apply my leave-ins, all my leave-in, and seal it in with that oil, Kerastase oil, and just apply all that on my hair. Then I blow dry. I definitely will be putting this like all in one. Do it in shower, no blinking, going under the dryer, in and out. I will be applying this what I've just done today, put to the test today. I will be adding this to my routine, especially now that summer is kind of approaching, spring if you will is approaching. I like to wash my hair more during that time, and I do wear my hair out more that time. I did not experience breakage. The shedding I get with around about what I'm expecting to get depending on the product I'm using, which right now I didn't change anything, nothing new. Did not go gallivanting to try something new. It was awesome, just literally in and out. It was the best wash day I've had in a long time. I've been missing out. So guys, I don't know about you guys. You got to give this a try. Just try it. I don't know who and where, how they all get it all mixed up, where you have to go to under the dryer every single wash day. That is completely bollocks. You hear the here first. It is. I've tried it. I put it to the test. My hair felt great. What's it called? See you later, guys. I don't know. I give up. See you guys later. I hope this was helpful.